How to switch to desktop mode in Safari on your iPhone running on iOS 26. The first thing you have to do, guys, to be sure that you have the latest version of your iOS device. Go and tap on settings. Then under settings, tap on general, tap on software update. So if you have any update here, guys, just try as much as you can to update your device to the latest version of the iOS. Here is iOS 26. Now that you update your device, the next thing you have to do, guys, is to make sure that you have the latest version of the apps, which is Safari. Go to the App Store, tap on it. Once tap on it, guys, in the search bar, type in Safari. So if there is any update here, guys, try as much as you can to update this app. Now this app is up to date. Now tap on it to open it. Once tap on it, it comes out like this. Now here is the browser. Now you want to access the desktop version or the mobile version on the Safari. Tap on this button. Now it comes out like this. Tap on these three dots again. Now from the list of options here, guys, you see this button that says request mobile website. Tap on it. Now this is the mobile website. You can see it has turned to mobile website. Now to take it back to desktop mode or desktop version is very simple as well. Tap on this button again, then tap on this three dots again. You see that desktop request desktop mode website, then tap on it. So that's all, guys, on how to switch between desktop mode and mobile mode on Safari browser on your iPhone running on iOS 26. If you get this tip, you have not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.